They think that you are a heartbreaker. I just kept hearing Michael Jackson's song Heartbreaker from his Invincible album today and I believe yesterday, right? I love that track, by the way. But this individual feels like if they give in to you, I'm here for some of you, fall in love with you, I'm hearing for some of you, tell you how they feel, get into a relationship with you, you will end up destroying them. You have a hold over this person unlike no other. They've never experienced this level of intensity before. It's borderline obsession. They are fixated and they feel, for some of you, that it's not normal to feel this way about someone. It's like whenever you are around them, they get transfixed. They just hone in on you. Nothing or no one around them makes sense or even exists. And they have never had this level of intensity, these feelings of intensity for anyone before. And I'm hearing stronghold. It's like a stronghold. Your energy is very potent and they feel compelled to surrender to your energy. And it's a type of energy whereby they potentially can make a fool out of themselves, but they don't really care. Maybe after the fact they cringe, but they cringe about how they acted when you were around. Like, oh my days, did people see that? Oh, did I just actually say that? Was I actually staring at them for that long? It's that type of energy, but this person is obsessed with you, and they feel like you know it. For some of you, they don't feel like you know it. For others of you, they feel like if you knew, you will play with them, like a puppet master, because they feel like you have so much power and you could potentially misuse this power, or they may feel like you have misused this power in the past, maybe with them or maybe with others. They feel that you do have an effect on people, so they understand that it's not just them that feel this way about you or who has felt this way about you. I'm hearing collecting your jar of hearts. This person is afraid of you because they are not really a feely type of person. They're more surface based, they're more detached, and because of you, this actual interaction has forced this person to get in touch with their emotions, and their emotions, I'm hearing, evaporate. They come to the surface. With anyone else, they're able to conceal, they're able to have a poker face, right? And I'm talking about past relationships as well. Even if they were, in love, say, with a person, they wouldn't necessarily demonstrate it. They may keep it to themselves, and they may even keep their emotions to themselves with you. So some of you are going to be quite shocked about this actual reading, but there's something about you that triggers this person's emotions. No one has that pull on this individual. I feel because you are very powerful. They see you as someone that is extremely powerful, someone that has natural leadership abilities to the point whereby you are independent enough in their view to just walk out of their life and not look back. You have this way about you where nothing or no one can stop you. You are resilient and you have this energy of being unstoppable, untamable. Maybe this person likes to control people when they're in relationships, but they know they can't control you. And they feel like the tables have turned. You actually have the power. You actually have the energy to control them. But some of you are not in that energy. You don't want to control anyone. Some of you are just focused on your career. Some of you are focused on, being a good citizen of society. And the way this person views you, you could be quite shocked, because whether or not you realize it, you have a very commanding presence. You know, your energy does radiate power. It radiates authority. You may not see yourself in this way, but you have an energy of, and a presence, I should say, of a leader. Okay. Someone that is in the public eye, or should be in the public eye. So this person is intimidated by you, but they're fascinated by you as well. And it may touch upon their insecurities to make them think to themselves, oh, I can't be with someone like that. But they're in awe of you. They fan over you. They, you know, are extremely physically attracted to you because you ignite certain emotions within them that were quite dormant. And I feel like you scare this person because of how you show up in the world. They may see other people gravitating towards you. They see how people react towards you. They see how people people are in awe of you. People, you know, listen when you speak. You can command a room, and it's just like fascinating but intimidating. Basically, you can have your pick and choose as to who you want to date. And they may be aware that you may want to settle down with someone, but they may feel like, oh, they may want to play around. They see you as marriage material, but they may feel like, oh, I might not be their type. You know, so they out-talk themselves from moving towards you. And I feel like this individual may feel like you may show two sides, like you got two faces, like you could be polite towards them, but you're just stringing them along. And this individual, I'm hearing they envy the one that you end up settling down with, because they do see you as very abundant. They do see you as someone that most would like to marry. You know, they would like to expand with you. They see you as someone that they can grow with, you know, in a financial sense. They feel like if they were to get into a relationship with you, you guys will have so much fun. They feel like they can learn from you. They feel as if, you know, you will enhance each other's lives. You know, and I feel like you do have a positive effect on each other anyway. Like maybe you both make each other look good to the public or something of that sort. But they feel like if you both were to get together, you could be like some type of power couple. But they feel like it's only on their side, because on their side, they feel a lot of love, but they feel it's safer to hide this love, because they don't feel like they are a match to you. They feel like you could do so much better. Or for some of you, they feel like you're not looking at them in that way. They feel there's no love on your end. And yeah, they feel as if you may not want to be in a relationship right now. So why should I give my heart? Or they may have dropped hints like, I like you, I find you attractive. And you may have shrugged them off. Or there was something that was said, or there was an action that was done to make this person feel like maybe I'm not their type. Or this person just likes me. I don't think they have any feelings for me. But it didn't stop this person from trying. But I feel like this person, like I said, they've done something. They tried to invest in something and they were met with a tower moment. Maybe they were shocked by something. Maybe they saw you with someone, or you said to them, I'm in a relationship, or they found out you're in a connection. For some of you, this person just feels as if they invest in this connection, if they invest in a fully fledged commitment, they are going to be left with the short end of the stick. They're going to get some type of shock. You could leave them abruptly. You could decide, I don't want to be in a relationship. Or you could just hurt them, you know, step outside of the relationship. They just feel like it's too much of a risk, because this individual puts you up there on a pedestal, right? And they feel like, I feel like it triggers their insecurities for some of you, and they feel as if they're not your match. And when you realize who is your match, that's what's going to hurt them. They may feel like you're going to be with someone, or you may want someone that's flashy, you know, that is rich or something of that sort, or exotic or something of that sort. They feel this way, right? And it strikes up their insecurities. And I feel like this person, they're holding back. Maybe in the past, like I said, they were investing in this actual connection, but something was said, done, or they saw something, which made them realize, no, 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 hold back, hold back, hold back. They could have nursed a broken heart without you realizing, and it made them hold back because maybe you friend zoned this individual. Maybe you made it be known that I just see you as a friend, and this person just felt like, for some of you, it's best I step away from this. For some of you, this person's actually married anyway, so they shouldn't even be sniffing around you anyway. But for others of you, I feel as if this individual may feel as if you don't want to have anything traditional. They feel deep love for you. They feel as if you are their soulmate, but they're trying to hide this. They are trying to hide this. They feel as if they're unsure. Do you have secret feelings for them or not? But I feel as if this individual feels like they need to keep their feelings from you a secret. They need to pretend as if they are your friend. They want to approach you in a friendly term because it's more safer, just in case they get hurt. But when they're alone at night, all they do is think about you. And all they do also is think about the options that you have. That could have been a tower moment. Maybe they seen you with someone. They see the way people may hunt you. They see the way people of the opposite gender are drawn to you, because the same way that they are drawn to you, the same energy that you exude and that they feel on a soul level is the same impact that other people, people get impacted by your energy, because your energy is very potent and, it's very powerful as well in a smegdual way. And even if you try and contain this energy, it's still felt. So you're the type of person whereby you could be covered up, but your energy is very heavy and smoldering. And they just feel, in some cases, it's a risk because I'm going to get a lot of guys or a lot of girls staring at him, flirting with him. This could be the case. That could be one of the reasons why they're holding back. Another reason could be that they're just talking themselves out of dating you. Like, I ain't got nothing to give him. I ain't got nothing to give her. So they are pulling back in regards to moving forward. They feel like you should be with someone that is on your level. Some of you are like, but you are on my level. But this person sees you as someone that is celebrated. You could be in the public eye. You're very popular. A lot of people do like you, and they may feel like, and I'm talking about like you as a person. So you're very popular, and they see the way people gravitate around you. They see the way you can command a room. You are very high vibrational. They see the way that basically in their view, you can have your pick and choose as to who you want. They see you as very beautiful, vibrant, and it makes them feel stuck. And they feel like, another thing, if I date them, other people will feel to themselves like, what is he doing with her? What is she doing with him? I ask Spirit, how do they really, really feel about you? Deeply. They see you and feel like you are their actual true love. They feel like they have a great chemistry and they want to manifest you in. They feel as if you are their soulmate. They feel like you are